We can create our team clicking on User Management and give it a name by clicking on the Activate button. The team with the console administrator in it is created. To add more operators, we have two options. By clicking on the Add Operators button, we can add one or more already registered users. While we can create new ones by clicking on the Register and Add button, entering the email and password. The owner of the email must confirm the registration. We can see the added users in the list. At this point, we would like to point out the difference between users and operators. Users are the accounts with which you can share the address book and remotely manage devices. Operators, on the other hand, are the users who are enabled to manage assistants. To enable accounts for functionality, you need to select Remote Management and Support. Here we can see the number of users, which can be unlimited. This shows the number of operators.